classy, independent. She got her own, she never steer you wrong. If you're trying to get right, little mama's your type. You know she got a lifestyle, right? Yeah.
Hey y'all, today's wig that I'm showing you guys is from 𝐒𝐚𝐯𝐻erHair. It is their chest brown silky straight HD lace wig. The length that I chose is 20 inches and the density of the hair is 180%. The hair is extremely soft, and then here you can see their invisible HD lace. I really have loved it. It also already came pre-plucked. The knots were bleached as well. Here's a better look of the length again, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I styled the wig from start to finish. So I'm about to take this wig off because I got a new one from 𝐒𝐚GHerHair, and y'all, this is what the wig looks like. I'm about to like put it on, but y'all, the color, I'm really loving the color. And y'all, the lace is everything. It is still wet at the top because I did decide to bleach the knots again, even though they were already like bleached. So I'll be right back. I'm about to take this wig off, and also I'm about to like put some makeup on because after I slay this wig, I also want to like take pictures and get some food and have a drink. I've been trying out this new glue to lay my wigs just so they can hold a little longer instead of the got2b spray. And I have to say I really love this new glue just because it doesn't have the hair so hard and crispy, because I felt like with the got2b spray it will always leave like basically like the front of my hair really hard because of the spray. I must say, I have to give it to their invisible HD lace. Like, this lace is really good, and like I mentioned before, I did not have to pre-pluck anything, which is a great thing, especially for beginners as well, because you don't have to worry about making the wig look natural. And now that I'm done with laying the wig, which didn't take long whatsoever, I'm about to style the hair. Recently, I haven't been wanting to do anything to my baby hair, probably because when I do like wear my own natural hair, I don't really like do baby hair. I really just like the like natural slick back look, but this is what it would basically look like. I'm loving the hair color. What do you guys actually think of the brown? I don't think that it's like too light. I just think that it's perfect. And here I'm about to like just do minimal baby hair. Let me know, do you guys like it more with the baby hair like this, or the just straight slick back look? But like I said before, when I do baby hair, it's very minimal because I don't like it too much. Here I'm just doing my sideburns. Yeah, I have to get me one of those pencil flat irons just so I can like really curl my sideburns so it'll like look better and that's all I really did as far as the baby hair. And then this is the chai guard spray that I used before flat ironing my hair. Trim the hair in the front just a little bit, and now that I'm done with that, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this unit, what y'all think of the color. Do you guys also like the side part? I must say I really love the new wig. I've worked with 𝐒𝐚GHErHair before, so this is nothing new as far as their high quality wigs. This is definitely a wig I would tell you guys to go grab, because you guys don't really have to do too much. I'll make sure to put all of the links in the description box down below. Also, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys would like to see next of me. As always, Berry Squad, I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next video.